Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we're going to look at a model from Taylor's standard series, the Taylor 114. But before we do so, please click the link below and sign up for the Acoustic Letter. You will be very glad you did so. The Taylor 114 is an extremely popular model in the Taylor lineup. This guitar features a solid Sitka spruce top, laminate sapelli back and sides. It has a small, very comfortable body style, has an ebony bridge with a tusk saddle, ebony fingerboard, classic Taylor tuners, and also the classic Taylor cutout headstock. And, I think I forgot to mention, but it does include a gig bag as well. This guitar is a complete workhorse. It's a great step-up guitar, it's a great roadworthy guitar, it's a great stage guitar. So let's give this thing a play so you can hear what it sounds like. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.